Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this steak and Guinness pie. Let's get started. Some plain flour. Add a little salt. Sift them together, then transfer to the stand mixer. Add some cold unsalted butter. Stop the machine until you have the fine crumbs. Prepare 1 egg yolk. Add some cold milk. Lemon juice from 1 lemon. Refill with cold water until the weight is 100 grams. Then give a good whisk. Add it to the crumbs. Stop the machine when you have the soft paste. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. While waiting, I will make the pie filling. I use 1 pound of skirt steak. Add salt to the steak. A little black pepper, then mix them well. Add some plain flour to the steak. Heat up some vegetable oil at medium heat. Add the steak to the pot. When the color is brown, transfer the steak to the bowl. Melt some unsalted butter by using the same pot. Add 1 chopped yellow onion. Some minced garlic. Add sliced mushrooms. Some chopped celery. One bay leaf. A little rosemary. Keep stirring until the texture is soft. Add the steak we just cooked. 1 bottle of Guinness. A little salt for seasoning. Bring to boil, then keep simmering for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the bay leaf. Mix some cornstarch with water, then gradually add it to the beef stew. It will begin to thicken. Then set aside and let it cool down. The dough is ready. Break off 1/3 for the lid, and the rest will be the base. I will bake this pie by using the 9-inch pie dish. After flouring the pie dish, remove it. I got the size of the base. Roll out the dough to get 3 mm thickness. Adjust the pastry to fit the pie dish. Remove the extra. Prick the base with a fork. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Do the same thing to the lid. and make it 3 mm thickness. Add the pie filling to the baking dish. Cover with the lid. Press well to seal. Remove the extra. This is how I crimp the pie. Make some pie vents. Brush the egg wash. Bake this pie for 30 to 35 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Time is up. Let's check the pie. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this steak and Guinness pie for 6 to 8 people cost me $20. I'm going to enjoy my steak and Guinness pie. Thanks for watching my video.